Can't go no more. Keep going.
The backside raising up yet?
No. Keep going. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Just go all the way with it. Keep going.
Faster!
Go! Oh shit, go!
There it goes. He did it.
What did it hit?
Everything.
Who's doing it?
Those three guys.
Somebody not professional. Huh?
Well, I suppose we got insurance and everything. They'd cut ours down on far.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Holy crap. I wonder if they're power.
Oh no, hell no. I don't know if I got it all or
There goes, honey. Got the light. Is that right?
And it doesn't look like you just got your trees pruned, you know? Right. Oh! Ah! Oh my God! Oh!
Hold on,
Oh!
hold on.
Oh!
What happened?
I don't know. Go call 911.
What?
Call 911.
I'm calling.
Right here.
Where is it?
Ah!
Where's the phone, man?
I don't know.
You want to roll over and lay on your back?
Ah!
Can you?
Ah!
Lay back.
Ah!
Lay back.
Ah!
Let me go call him, man. Just hang tight right there.
Ah!